What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel where we turn your YouTube dreams into reality, no matter who you are or how camera shy you might feel. It's your boy, Dean, and today I'm here to show you that you don't need to be a celebrity or even show your face to make it big on YouTube. That's right, your privacy is safe and your creativity can shine. Maybe you've always wanted to be a YouTuber, but you feel a bit shy. Or maybe you just value your privacy. Trust me, you're not alone. Tons of successful creators never show their faces, and you can join them. Thanks to the incredible power of artificial intelligence, anyone can become the next YouTube sensation. AI tools can help you write scripts, generate voices, create stunning visuals, and even edit your videos, all without ever stepping in front of a camera. Today, we're diving deep into the world of faceless YouTube channels. I'll introduce you to some awesome, mostly free AI tools that make content creation easier than ever. Whether you want to make explainer videos, animations, or even run a gaming channel, there's a tool for you. Imagine earning real money from YouTube without ever worrying about being recognized in public or feeling nervous on camera. You can build a brand, grow an audience, and start earning passive income, all while staying completely anonymous. If that sounds exciting, you're definitely in the right place. I'm here to guide you every step of the way so you can start your own faceless YouTube journey with confidence. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create your very own faceless YouTube channel, from brainstorming your niche to using AI tools for content to launching your first video. So grab your notepad, get comfy, and let's get started on your YouTube success story. First things first, let's talk about the heart of your YouTube journey. What is your channel really about? Before you even think about cameras or editing, you need to figure out what gets you truly hyped. What's that one thing you could talk about for hours without getting bored? Maybe it's a hobby, a skill, or even a quirky interest that makes you light up every time you mention it. Think about the topics that make you lose track of time when you're chatting with friends or scrolling online. What do you love sharing with others or teaching them about? Your passion is your secret weapon. It's what will keep you motivated and make your videos shine with authenticity. Pick something you're genuinely excited about, because that energy is contagious. When you're passionate, your viewers will feel it too, and they'll want to come back for more. And don't be afraid to get super niche. Sometimes the most unique channels are the ones that attract the most loyal fans. For example, if you love collecting erasers, why not make a channel all about your collection, your favorite finds, and tips for other collectors? Or maybe you're obsessed with building Lego masterpieces. Share your builds, your creative process, and inspire others to join in. The more specific and unique your channel is, the more it'll stand out from the crowd. There are millions of channels out there, but nobody else has your exact perspective or passion. So don't overthink it, just start creating. Your unique voice and interests are what will make your channel truly special. The most important thing is to take that first step and share what you love with the world. Now that you've picked out your awesome topic and you're feeling inspired, it's time to take the next big step, writing your very first video script. This is where your ideas start to come to life, and you get to shape exactly how your video will sound and flow. Don't worry if you've never written a script before. Everyone starts somewhere, and it's actually a lot of fun once you get going. The script is like the blueprint for your video. It helps you organize your thoughts, plan your shots, and make sure you don't forget any important points. Plus, having a script makes recording way easier and less stressful, because you'll know exactly what to say next. But what if you're staring at a blank page and not sure where to start? That's where the power of AI comes in. We're going to use some amazing technology to help us brainstorm, organize, and even write parts of our script. There's this super cool website called ChatGPT. Think of it as your robot writer friend who's always ready to help, no matter what time it is. ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas, write catchy introductions, or even suggest fun facts to include in your video. All you have to do is type in a prompt like, write a fun and engaging YouTube script about the coolest dinosaurs. You can be as specific or as creative as you want with your prompt. The more details you give, the better the script will match your style. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will whip up a script draft for you. It's super fast and can save you tons of time, especially if you're making lots of videos or just want to get your ideas down quickly. Remember, the best YouTube videos are short, sweet, and straight to the point. Try to keep your script focused and avoid adding too much extra information. This will help your viewers stay interested and make your editing process much easier. And most importantly, Don't forget to add your own personal touch. AI is a fantastic tool to help you get started, but your unique voice, personality, and creativity are what will truly make your channel stand out. So have fun with it, experiment, and let your ideas shine. So, you've got your script, but who's gonna read it? That's where AI voice generators come in. Free tools like 11 Labs, TTS Reader, and PlayHT can turn your script into a professional-sounding voiceover in minutes. Experiment with different voices to find one that fits your channel's vibe. Funny, calm, mysterious, you name it. The right voice can make all the difference in keeping your viewers engaged. What's a YouTube video without awesome visuals? But don't worry, you don't need a fancy camera crew. Websites like Pexels and Pixabay are packed with free stock footage and images for your videos. Want extra flair? Canva and CapCut let you add cool effects, transitions, and text. Always choose visuals that are relevant and visually appealing to keep your viewers hooked. Alright, it's time to bring everything together. You don't need to be a Hollywood editor to create awesome videos. Free video editing apps like CapCut, VN Editor, and Canva Video Editor make it easy to drag and drop your audio, video, and images onto a timeline. Add transitions, effects, and music from the YouTube audio library to set the mood. Make sure the music fits your video and doesn't distract from your message. Editing is where your creativity shines. Experiment and find your unique style. Imagine scrolling through YouTube. What makes you click on a video? The thumbnail. Canva is your best friend for creating eye-catching thumbnails. Use bright colors, bold text, and emojis to grab attention. A great thumbnail can make all the difference. So spend some time making yours pop. You've created an awesome video. Now it's time to share it with the world. Give your video a catchy title, write a fun description, and add relevant hashtags to help people find it. Pro tip: try YouTube Shorts to reach a wider audience. Congratulations, you're officially a YouTuber. You've uploaded your first video. Congrats! But the journey doesn't stop there. To grow your channel, keep the content coming. Aim for 2 to 3 videos a week if you can. Quality over quantity. It's better to have a few amazing videos than a ton of mediocre ones. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The more you create, the better you'll get. Most importantly, have fun and let your creativity shine. And there you have it. You now have all the tools you need to create your own faceless YouTube channel and potentially make some serious cash. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome AI YouTube tips. You're just one video away from creating something amazing without ever showing your face. Let me know if you need a further reduction or more creative tweaks.